Buying or building, RichmondCustomHomes.com puts confidence back into financing. Buying your first home is exciting, but costly mistakes can turn excitement into stress. Here are the biggest ones to avoid. First, skipping pre-approval. Shopping without knowing your budget wastes time and weakens your negotiating power. A strong pre-approval shows sellers you're serious. Second, underestimating total costs. It's not just the down payment, you'll have closing costs, property taxes, homeowners insurance, maintenance, and utilities. Third, making big financial changes before closing. Opening new credit cards, financing a car, or changing jobs can impact your loan approval. Fourth, draining all your savings. Keep reserves for emergencies after you move in. Fifth, focusing only on the interest rate. Loan structure, terms, and lender fees matter just as much. And finally, skipping the home inspection. Even a beautiful home can hide expensive issues. Smart preparation protects your investment and gives you peace of mind on closing day. For more info, Dwayne Buziak, Mortgage Maestro, NMLS 11106478042128663, Dwayne at coast2coastmal.com, and visit richmondcustomhomes.com.